Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mr. Market. So in today's video we will see where market can move tomorrow and which stocks you can trade and what's the logic behind this. So let's start. First let's start with Nifty. So Nifty, yesterday we discussed that this level. So yesterday we discussed that if Nifty opens flat, go for sell. Your target will be 14,500. And one more thing, we discussed that if Nifty breaks 14,750, go for buy. Okay, but today what happened that there was a huge gap up, more than 120 points gap up. So I don't think you have got any opportunity. So many of you are asking that today I gave two calls, that is 14,800 and 14,700, that both were jackpot calls for today. So what was the reason behind that? So let me explain that. So see, first what we took, we took 14,800. See why we took that. Let me explain reason behind this 14,700 C. Okay, so the reason was this. If you see this level 14,756, this was an important level and market gave a huge gap up about this level. Okay, and one more thing I explained you before also, that if market opens huge gap up, there are chances of selling. Why? Because people who have bought here, that is 14,700, around at 14,700, they what will do that they'll naturally try to book their profit, because market opened a huge gap up and they are getting an overnight profit, so they'll book that. That is sure thing. Okay, so seeing that only I gave 14,800 P. Sorry, before I wrote that I wrote CE, but it's P, sorry. So seeing that only I gave 14,800 P. So in second or third candle I gave. Okay, because market was itself telling that it won't sustain above levels, so that's why only I gave. And we took around 39. Sorry, yes, we took around 39 and it went till 60. Okay, so it gave a very good, decent profit. So let's see for another call. Another I gave 14,700, and that 14,700 went from 12 to made high of around 220, around it went, and we booked at 70. Okay, we booked at 70. That is almost more than 600%. Okay, so that is more than 600% returns. So let me explain logic behind this. So the reason was, wait a bit. So the reason was, if you see this 14,756 level, see here, this was an intense selling. Okay, high selling pressure was in this candles or in these days. So here if you see this 14,756 level, the market exactly bounced from this level, then again came down. Okay, so what market was telling that this was a selling and this was a pullback for market, and then again it continued down, and today it was a huge gap up market. So chances were there that it won't sustain this gap up, because market trends are negative. It's telling downward trends. Okay, so that was the reason for me. And one more thing, this 14,756 level, this was a crucial level, and I had planned before only that if it breaks 14,756 and sustains below, then I'll go for out of the money puts. Okay, so this was the reason for me. And one more, at that time European markets opened and they opened flat, which means that wherever European markets goes, it won't affect Nifty because they opened flat only. And there was one more reason. You will tell there were many reasons. So the reason was this M pattern. Okay, simple reason. This was also a reason. So 4 to 5 reasons were there for me to give out of the money 14,700 P. Okay, so let's see where market can move tomorrow. Okay, so going to our analysis, first thing I will tell you, see that before 3 weeks, from 3 weeks we are continuously making profits. Okay, and from last 2 days we ended in loss in our Telegram group, and today we got a jackpot call. Okay, so seeing that from last 3 weeks many traders, new traders joined our community, and seeing that 2 days loss, the people who haven't joined that, more than that people left our community. Okay, so see, one thing I'll clear you, I cannot make profits every day. Even if you take the biggest trader in the world now, then also you won't make profits every day. Please understand this, try to understand this, don't follow me blindly. Many people I saw that follow me blindly, but don't follow me blindly. You also try to learn every day, improve your mistakes, and stick to your good things. Okay, please don't believe blindly, believe me, have faith, but don't believe blindly. It's very dangerous. Blind believe any, if you believe anyone blindly na, it's very dangerous thing. Okay, please don't believe blindly. This only I was telling to you. Okay, so let's see analysis for tomorrow. So tomorrow, if you see this 14,500 level, this is a crucial level. If tomorrow Nifty breaks this and go below this, you can go for sell. Your target will be first target around here, that is 14,400 you can take. And for buying, see this level, this 14,640, above this 14,640 only go for a buy. First target you can take till small target only, with this small target only, that is 14,700. Next target will be 14,750. Okay, so this is all for Nifty. So let's see for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, we discussed yesterday that this level 34,440, if it goes above this level, then only you have to buy, and if it open flat, then you have to sell. And here was also same thing like Nifty, it also opened a huge gap up, so I don't think you would have got any opportunity to trade in Bank Nifty. So let's see for tomorrow what you can do tomorrow. So tomorrow, see this level 34,600, this is an important level. Here also there was a gap up opening, and it sustained above this. Before, as I am telling about this, before it opened a huge gap up and sustained here. So 33,600 level is an important level. Okay, so if it breaks 33,600 level, go for short, and first target, your first target will be 33,000. Obviously, because there is no support, you can see here there is no support around here, so you can take a round level 33,000 as a first target, and next target you can take till here. If it comes more down, that is 32,830. Okay, and for buying I think that till below 34,000 don't go for any buy. This 34,000 till it's below 34,000, go for any buy. It can give a pullback also. It can touch 34,000 and then come down. Okay, so and one more thing is that from continuously 5 days, Nifty and Bank Nifty are making red candles. Okay, so if you see for tomorrow I am expecting that it will make a indecisive candle, that is a doji candle like this. Let me make it like this. It can make a doji candle. Why? Because from continuously 5 days it's making a red candle, so it obvious that market cannot fall in a straight line downwards or upwards anywhere. It cannot go in a straight line. It has to give some pullbacks, okay, or little bit upward downward. So we have to see that. Okay, so this was all for Bank Nifty. Let's see for stocks, which stocks you can trade. First stock is Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel is a simple reason. See this is a range. Okay, so range, I think it can break above tomorrow. So if it goes above 532.50 and sustains, go for buy. First target 540, next target 543 next target, or you can take 544. Okay, for clarity, and stop loss till 530. Okay, so next target, let's see. Next stock is Grasim. See this level. From this level, Grasim is again and again resisting. Here it gave a breakout but failed again, and again it's testing. So tomorrow it can break this level. Tomorrow if it goes above 1400, go for buy. First target you can take till 14,220, and next target you can take till 1430. Stop loss below this, that is 1390. Okay, so next stock, let's see. Next stock is Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank also, you can see this, it's consolidating in a range. Okay, so tomorrow it can give I think it can give breakdown, or it can give breakout also. So tomorrow if it goes below 334, go for short. Your target you can take till 330. Okay, stop loss will be 336, and tomorrow if it goes above 342.5, then go for buy. First target 346, next target you can take till 350. Stop loss at 340. Okay, so let's see next stock. Next stock is Bajaj Auto. See this level from this level, it's continuously, it was resisting, here resisted, and then again here resisted, then again it's going for a breakout. So tomorrow if it breaks this level and goes about 3690, then go for a buy. Your first target will be 3740. Okay, next target you can take till 3780. At 3780 stop loss will be 3660. So let's see last stock, that is DLF. So DLF come before. So DLF, if you see that, see this, you can see this M pattern. Okay, here was a M pattern. So this M pattern is a sign for downtrend, if you don't know this. So and here was a breakout. Okay, so here I think that tomorrow it can touch this level, this where it gave a breakout, then again it can come down. So tomorrow if this DLF breaks 388, then go for short. Your first target will be 380, and next target you can take till 275, sorry 280, that's 280, and next target you can take till 275, stop loss 290. So that's it for today's video.